Good morning. Welcome to 42 Prague. This is a school without traditional classrooms and without teachers in the usual sense. Instead, you'll find students everywhere, like this one. Some are building projects, some are stuck on a bug that refuses to cooperate, and some have been staring at the same line of code for 3 hours. Hello there.
Hey, what's up?
Would you mind helping me explain 42 Prague?
What, now? All right, yeah. Let's start with the basics. At 42 Prague, the first step is something called Piscine. The word is French for swimming pool, and here the idea is quite literal. You're thrown in the deep end and you either learn to swim or you sink. It's a 4-week intensive boot camp in C programming. During that time, the school selects students who will continue into the main program, which we call the Common Core. Now, the Common Core works a bit differently than a traditional university. There are no lectures and no traditional exams. Instead, students progress by completing projects. Each project teaches a specific technical concept: programming algorithms, system programming, sometimes cybersecurity, or AI. The main languages are C and Python. And each project unlocks the next one, so there are no shortcuts. But this raises an obvious question. If there are no teachers and no exams, how are your projects evaluated? The answer is peer evaluation. When a student believes the project is ready, they submit it into the system. Then the project is evaluated by 3 other students. During the evaluation, the evaluator follows a structured checklist. They test the program, review the code, and ask questions about how the solution works. And yes, they can be quite demanding. You need to explain your logic and show that you actually understand every part of your code. If the project fails, the student fixes the issues, resubmits, and goes through the evaluation process again. Once the project passes, it unlocks the next one in the curriculum. So every student at 42 progresses the same way, by building projects, defending them, improving them, and learning from each other. Students here are not trained to pass exams, they're trained to withstand review. So, do you understand it now?
That will do.